Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This beautiful 4 bedroom, 4 bathroom, single story home sits on 16,500 square feet of land. It is located in the upper income Ingleside community of Mandeville. The house is fully grilled and it is being sold unfurnished. Some other features include a spacious carport, open living and dining, kitchen area and veranda. There is also an outhouse consisting of 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. The Ingleside community offers amenities such as tennis and badminton courts, swimming pool, gymnasium, and walking and jogging areas. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 33 million or US $214.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.